being here and watching. Today we're opening up the June Fruit for Thought box. And this box is always so fun to open. If you don't know what it is, every month there is a theme surrounded by like fruits or vegetables, and you get a bunch of items that have to do with it. And it sounds silly, but it's seriously the cutest thing, and you get a lot of useful items in this box. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, especially after watching this video, I will leave their website down below. Before we get unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. Yeah, let's get this box open. So just a white box and has their sticker right there. They usually give you a sneak peek every month of what the upcoming theme will be, but I'm totally blanking right now. And it's always so cutely wrapped. There's like a little fruit ribbon you can save and do something with if you so wish. Oh, now I remember after reading it. So the June theme is Blueberry Garden. And then there's a sneak peek for July, Juicy Watermelon. I love that too. So here's the card. And on the back of this card, it tells you what is in the box. It doesn't seem like it gives any pricing information for the items. It just gives you a little bit of information about the product. So the first thing I see on top are a bunch of like little packets here. So what are these? Oh, cool. I think this card goes with them. So it says Soak, Modern Care for Laundry You Love. And it's in Lacy Material Girl. Oh, so do you use these to wash like your intimates? Let me read the back. The packaging's so cute. It says clean all the laundry you love with this rinse-free, environmentally friendly formulation. It's perfect for washing your laciest lingerie, softest sweaters, swimwear, handmade quilts, even baby clothes. Show your laundry and the planet some love. So this is made with plant-derived and renewable ingredients, biodegradable, phosphate-free, and dye-free. And it gives you directions to hand wash. 1 teaspoon and 1 gallon of cool water. Soak for 15 minutes. Gently squeeze. No need to rinse. Lay knits flat to dry. Wash sets like lingerie together. Test fabric for color fastness. Also can be used for HE machines. I feel like I've heard of this brand before. I think I might have gotten one like a lemon scent, but there's 5 packs here. And then there's also a card inside that talks more about this brand. But I think that's a great idea, because I don't know about you, I've like ruined some like bras and lacy things in the washer and dryer before. So yeah, this tells you more about the company. It looks like they have a bunch of different products, which is cool. So Soak Laundry Wash is the modern day way to clean and refresh the laundry you love. Gentle no-rinse formulation. Yes, you can even use it in the machine for your delicates. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of a lazy person. I probably will just use it in my washer, like my delicates, and then just hang dry them or lay them flat. But maybe I'll try hand washing it. But I think that's cool they included this. Next up, looks like we have some eye patches. Ooh, good, I'm almost out of mine. This is by Cocoa Star. It's a tropical eye patch in acai berry. It says unscented for all skin types. Looks like we just have one set here. It says this hydrogel under eye patch contains the extremely beneficial acai berry extract. This antioxidant ingredient helps to keep the under eye well moisturized and maintains young, healthy, and radiant skin. And this eye mask is unscented, which will prevent irritation for sensitive skin. So you apply it on a clean, dry eye area and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. No need to rinse. I will definitely use this super soon. Oh my god, this is like the cutest sticker I've ever seen. This is a weatherproof vinyl sticker. It's little blueberries. Hopefully it's not too reflective. So a vinyl sticker. Huh. Weatherproof. Oh, so you can like put this on like your backpack, or isn't that what kids do a lot? This is so cute. Nice. It looks like we have a little makeup bag here with pretty flowers on it. This is by Michael Design Works, and this is their Posies small cosmetic bag made from 100% polyester. To clean, you just wipe with a damp cloth. Oh, so I think this is good, like if things leak. It's like a good material on the inside. You don't have to worry about that. So this is super cute and fun. I've never had these before. This is by Welch's. They like make the like little fruit gummy things, fruit snacks. This is their fruit and yogurt snacks in blueberry. So it's made with real fruit surrounded by creamy yogurt. It's low fat, gluten free, excellent source of vitamins A and C, and also a good source of vitamins D and calcium. These actually sound really good. Have you guys tried these before? I've never tried anything besides their little like fruit snacks. It says the Welch's name has been built in the highest quality of fruit, proudly grown on family farms. In this tradition of goodness come Welch's fruit and yogurt snacks made with real fruit purees and covered in creamy yogurt. Welch's fruit and yogurt snacks are sure to delight your family. Okay, my intermittent fasting is almost over. Let me see how many minutes I have left. Damn it, I have 16 minutes and 26 seconds. I don't think the video will be very long, but I can tell you, these will be eaten in 16 minutes and 19 seconds. Ooh, what's this? This looks really pretty. Oh, it's got a little hanging thing. Look at this packaging. This is by Vintage & Co. This is Fabrics and Flowers Emery board set. Oh, so they're like nail files, and they're like the prettiest nail files I have ever seen. So these double-sided nail files with different designs on reverse. Keep one for the handbag, one for the car, and one for the desk to ensure nails are in tip-top shape at home or on the go. Playing with patchwork, a geometric grid of eclectic fabric prints and graphic flowers are a design hallmark of Vintage & Co. So to use, you shape up the nails file from the edge of the nail to the center and then file with moisturizing hand cream. Oh man, I decided I'm gonna give up going to the nail salon. Like, I had dip nails on, but they're all starting to fall off. Like, one, I'm kind of like nervous to go to the nail salon. The first time I went was with my mom, and I don't know why. I mean, probably because with my mom. I always feel safer going out and about. But also it's just really expensive, so now I'm just waiting for all of my dipped nails to come off, and I'm gonna start doing my own nails. I wanna get better at it, so I could use these. Now, if only I could open them up. So I just took one out, so here's one side of it. And here's the other. These are seriously so pretty. I love them. I'll definitely keep one like right here so I can like do it before filming or whatever. This is like the room I spend most of my time in anyways. Wow, the next thing, this is the last thing in here. This is huge. This is by Revell. I know this brand somehow. You get 60 Goodberry makeup remover wipes, and look, it's got the blueberries. These are so cute, and wow, this comes with a lot. Usually these packs never come with 60. They usually come with like 30 or even like 15 sometimes. So I feel like I say this every time I get makeup wipes. I try not to use them on a regular basis. I think they're great for when you're on the go and traveling and stuff, or those very lazy nights. I've already mentioned I was lazy once in this video, didn't I? Or is it another one? But sometimes I have those nights where I just cannot even fathom just getting up and washing my face, like my double cleanse. So that is when these come in handy, because there is no excuse not to just grab one of these and get your makeup off, because you do not want to sleep in your makeup. You will regret it. So this is made with acai, goji, blueberry, and raspberry. These are huge. These are superfoods that contain high levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron with fatty acids, and antioxidants that promote anti-aging to help revitalize the skin. Acai and goji berries are known to be high in antioxidants. Blueberries have a high concentration of salicylic acid. I never knew that. Which is widely used in acne treatments. I could use some. I'm starting to break out a little bit. It's about to be that time of the month, unfortunately. And raspberries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and puffiness under the eyes. Nice. This thing is huge. So, awesome. So that was everything. So, we got our wipes that contain blueberries, our blueberry fruit and yogurt snack, which is making my stomach grumble, and then the blueberry sticker, which I think is so cute. I need to figure out what to do with this. I think it's cool as weatherproof. I feel like dumb, like vinyl stickers, and I'm just so hungry because I've been eating 18 hours almost. But I'm pretty sure you can like put these on things like your backpacks or whatever. These beautiful Emery boards, a set of 3, little cosmetic bag. And then we have this the acai berry eye patches. So it's not like exactly blueberry, but it's in the berry family, you know? And then these laundry packs. So a set of 5 of these by Soak. I think this company sounds really cool, and I'm pretty sure I've tried a sample of it before and liked it, so I'm excited to get this again for my lacy things, which I don't wear, but who knows, maybe I'll meet someone I want to wear some lace around. Oh my god, I'm delirious and hungry. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I'm gonna link them in the description box. But yeah, I hope you guys are safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.